Zontes have just released the 150V scooter in China. Expect a 3-month delay to Europe, as a 125 cubic centimeters version. The following video is Zontes' promo release of the 150V. Having the same spec as the 125 and 150X in new designed bodywork. Enjoy the video, how-to videos will follow shortly. Yongchun Quan originates from tradition, emphasizing internal cultivation and external expression, continuously evolving and innovating through generations without rest or stagnation. Innovation is a feeling that intimidates and chills, bringing unprecedented visual stimulation with both agility and strength. Beyond punching, it also requires the light impulse of thunder and mist, the cutting wind of the fist, using speed to control the horse and striking first with a delayed response. Only speed is unbreakable and creative, also embodying violent flashes of blades and swords, sharp and ruthless, treating martial arts as a play, like a mighty dragon encompassing all phenomena. The beauty is shapeless, wishing for courage to penetrate and transcend, pushing forward without breaking or crumbling. Using the lawless as the law, using the infinite as the finite.